Yes, class 4. This is a poem by Eleanor Fargen. She was born in London in 1881, educated privately. She wrote children's stories and fantasy stories. Okay. She is loved and read both by children and adults. Fargen came from a family of writers. Her father encouraged her to write when she was just 5 years old. The Eleanor Fargen Award in her name is given to the writers for outstanding work in children's literature. This is about that there isn't any time. The importance of time. Don't you say, I have to do this, I have to do that, I don't have any time, what to do, I have to do this homework, I have to go out also, I have to go and play. There is no more time. There isn't time to do the things I want to do. With all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through, and all the seas to sail upon, and everywhere there is to go, and all the people everywhere who lives upon the earth to know a few and do a few, and then sit down and make a rhyme about the rest I want to do. So in this poem, the poet is trying to say that there isn't time what I want to do and what I don't want to do. There isn't any time the things I want to do. With all the, I want to climb the mountain tops, all the mountain tops I want to climb, there is no time. All the woods, the forests, I want to go through them, wander through, look at them, see the beautiful creation of God. And all the seas to sail upon, I want to sail on the seas as well. And everywhere there is to go, I want to go everywhere, but there is no time. All the people, everyone who lives upon the earth, I want to know them also. I want to know a few and do a few things. Still, I want to know a few things, I want to do few things, and then sit down and make a rhyme of what all I have done and rest. What all I have done and rest, what else I want to do. There isn't any time. Very puzzled person. Children are thinking, what to do? There isn't any time. I have to go around the full world. How will I do it? There isn't any time. Tomorrow there is school. Tomorrow I have to go here. Tomorrow I have to go there. We are always having excuses. There isn't time. There isn't time to do all things I want to do, with all the mountain tops to climb and all the woods to wander through, and all the seas to sail upon, and everywhere there is to go, and all the people, everyone who lives upon the earth to know a few and do a few, and then sit down and make a rhyme about the rest I want to do. Okay? So you learn this poem by heart. This is homework. Question answers, I'll help you out. Don't worry. Please learn this poem by heart. This is your homework. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. And see you in the next class. Till then, have fun. I'm going to get ready with these question answers for you now. Reader book is done. So reader book, slowly you'll get all the homeworks on the website, on that My Notes, and you keep on writing it down in your copies and get it checked. When the time comes, we'll all check it for you. Okay? Bye bye. God bless. Take care.